Hip health is very important to a healthy back. So with the assistance of the bands, you can do leg ups as you can see here in the video. The Aratom Stretching System and the bands will give you the needed assistance to do your workout. If you're working through an injury or you'd like to strengthen your leg, you can do the one leg ups as you can see here in the video. There are times that you may need to add additional bands if you're working through an injury or you're weaker in certain areas. If you're in rehab, weak, or elderly, the Aratom Stretching System is great for building strength and confidence about standing up and sitting down into chairs. You can place anchors throughout the house, and the Aratom Stretching System is easily disconnected and connected in different areas so that you can use the Aratom Stretching System in this fashion. Once you've built enough confidence and strength, you can begin to use the stretching system to go a little bit further in your exercise.